that his intent to blow up the king and the parliament. 3. Scott Battles of overthrow. 4. All England to overthrow.
Bonfire Night!
What is Bonfire Night?
Bonfire Night is a celebration that commemorates a failed assassination attempt from more than 400 years ago. On 5th November, people remember the plot to explode the Houses of Parliament by celebrating Bonfire Night.
On November 5th, while in main towns and cities there are big bonfires and firework displays.
The fireworks are a reminder of the gunpowder that Guy Fawkes hid in the cellar of Parliament.
When is Bonfire Night celebrated?
Bonfire Night is celebrated across the UK on 5th November every year. It is also known as Guy Fawkes Night and Fireworks Night.
What is the Guy Fawkes rhyme?
Remember, remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason, and plot.
I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
Guy Fawkes trusts his intent to blow up the king and the parliament.
3 score barrels of powder below.
Poor old England to overthrow.
By good providence he was caught with a dark lantern and burning match.
Holler boys, let the bells ring. Holler boys, God save the king!
Who was Guy Fawkes? Guy Fawkes was born in 1517 in Snowgate, York. He was a British soldier and best known participant in the Gunpowder Plot in November of 1605. When he was 34 years old, he and a group of men planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament.
In November of that year, a group of men made a plan to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London.
The group wanted to kill the king because they wanted to install the daughter of the king as a Catholic head of the state, and he put some laws against the Roman Catholics.
Fawkes was placed in charge of the gunpowder that they stockpiled there. He became synonymous with the gunpowder plot, the failure of which has been commemorated in the UK as Guy Fawkes Night since November 5, 1605.
Where is Bonfire Night celebrated? The Bonfire Night is celebrated in England, Scotland, and Wales.
What are the traditions of this festivity?
In general, Bonfire Night sees participants parading in costumes, fireworks and flaming torches are utilized. Some people have a small bonfire in their garden.
In main towns and cities, there are big bonfires and fireworks displays.
In Britain, only adults can buy fireworks, but in the past they were sold to children too. During the days before Bonfire Night, children used to take their homemade guys onto the streets and ask for a penny for the guy to collect money to buy fireworks.
What do you usually eat on Bonfire Night?
Traditional bonfire night food is baked potatoes. They are cooked on the bonfire and filled with butter and cheese.
There are also caramel apples, and in the north of Finland they eat a special type of pie called pumpkin.
It is also popular to toast marshmallow over the campfire.
Happy Bonfire Night!